the next unboxing, following on from the Fidget toy unboxings, is another Fidget toy. So this is the one, this is the package it comes on. This is the famous piano keys, metal keys from a company called Banana, something like that. Comes in this little padded pouch. Some instructions. What have we got here? Fidget slider, Shenzhen technology, somewhere in China, instructions, blah, 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 blah. Right, let's get rid of that. So this is the toy itself. First impressions, it's tiny. Let's get it open. Can we get it open? Right. That's small. That's tiny. I mean, it's what? It's 4.5 centimeters long. It's supposed to be 3.5 centimeters wide, but it's actually 2.5. I measured it earlier. So does not match description. But you've got these little keys, and it's very satisfying, I gotta say. And they're little magnets basically on a kind of rocker cover, so you can sort of take them off. Should all come off. There we go. Look, stick together. There's the back. It's kind of like a patterned engraved back, lots of slidey lines, and then these little keys. They just sort of pop on there and just rock on the central pivot. You can also put them on that way, although they don't do anything there. So let's stick them on. Falls into position quite well. There you go, two of them married together. Let's get them separated. I think I paid about $8 or $7 or $8, something like that. With all these things, I mean, I'm curious about them. They're quite nice and fun to fidget. So if you're on, well, they're a bit noisy, but if you're on phone calls or you're a bit bored, to have a little, like a little desk toy, that sort of thing. That's quite good fun. But I've noticed someone's making a really lot of money here. These are about $8. How much does this cost to produce? I'd say less than $1. I mean, I would say probably 50 cents, something like that. So someone's making a big markup here. Someone left in the comments in one of my other Fidget Toys videos that they saw these in Temu, or they bought these in Temu, not these one exact ones, but other Fidget Toys, for sort of like a, $1 or something, really, really, really low. So probably worth having a look on there if you want to buy lots. This one seems to be a different length. Let's try it this way around. There we go. And you might be able to get a deal. So instead of paying $8, you could probably pay $1. But yeah, I like this. This is really simple. I don't know why it's so satisfying. It's a little nice noise. There's a nice action. It's a nice sound. It's quite light in the hand. I don't know what it's made of. I don't think it's made of aluminium, but something like that, some kind of alloy. $8. I don't know. I enjoy it. I get $8 worth of value out of it. I don't think it sort of costs anywhere near that to manufacture, but would I recommend it? I'd actually recommend this one. It's very satisfying. As you can probably see, I can't stop playing with it. But anyway, might be nice to get a big one as well. Look at the size of that, teeny weeny. But yeah, I'll give it a recommended buy. So I don't know whether this is deliberate, but these are actually slightly machined different lengths, I think. So when I put it on the reverse side, you can see it no longer lines up. Let's flip this one over, make it a bit more pronounced. And there you can see they don't quite line up. So maybe that's deliberate. It's probably in the machining. But if you put them all the way the same way around, then they all line up beautifully.